If you're using financial models on a regular basis, then there's something you need to know. Evidence from research into spreadsheet error tells us that it's essential to test those models to eliminate errors. If you don't know how to test your models, then you're in the right place. We have a free tool that you can download from our website. We call it nXt, and I'm going to show you how to use that to get an overview of your workbook and perform some vital tests. There are a few short videos to show you how to use the tool, but first you'll need to download it from our website and install it. On the website numeritas.co.uk, scroll down to the bottom of the home page and click the button here that says nXt download. This page tells you about the nXt tool, and it contains a list of the functions, utilities and tests that it will run, and I'm going to talk through those in the sessions. So in order to download it, we click the download now button on this page here. This page is the download page containing the form that you need to complete with your email address, company name and phone number, and if you submit that form it will take you to just a thank you page, and you will very shortly receive an email. Once you've received the email, click on the download now button and you will actually download the installer file as a zip, and you can see that coming down here. Now I've just saved that to my desktop, and I'm going to drag that over to the Excel window to open it. Now you do need to enable macros at this point in order for the installer to run properly, but if you do that, and it may take a couple of seconds for the file to open, this is the EULA agreement you'll need to accept, and you do so by just installing the software itself. And when you install it, you need to put in your email address, so just type in your email address here and then click on install. Okay, now we've got a message that nXt has successfully installed, so click on OK there, and you can see the Numeritas tab now on your ribbon. Now to get the best out of the software, if you click on About nXt, you'll see there's a button here called Macro Settings, and clicking on that takes us to the settings where we can switch on Trust Access to the VBA Project Object Model. Now that means that some of the reports that you run will have double-click functionality to take you to the relevant cell in the model, so it's worth switching that on. And click OK to get back, and that's you already installed. Now we will go through the detail of what each of these buttons do in the following videos, so please have a look at those, and if you're not sure where they are, then you'll find them on our YouTube channel.